am great. So, how are you all? So, today I'm going to discuss here about UPSC. So, our next class we are going to conduct on in 1 day, 1 to 2 days in a particular week. So, it may be any day, but you may get posts related to UPSC. So, hi viewers, how are you all doing? So, let's get started our session. Welcome to my QT Hub, and I'm your lovely, and we are discussing about UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. So, here are the topics we are going to deal about prelims exam. So, prelims 2027, how you are going to approach in an easy way of learning. How can you kickstart your career by using these methods and tips of stages to clear the preliminary exam of 2026 to become an higher official in a central government. It's really a competitive examination throughout it conducted by central government throughout India and worldwide. So here are few topics in GS. First, in prelims we have GS paper 1 and CSAT paper 2. So in GS we need to score at least 250 marks, 250 for 250 to some other like related to some marks. So that we can succeed in the next stage. So we have only two here in GS paper 1 we discuss about current affairs, geography, polity, economics and history. Like there are 3 to 4 histories, like it's not about only one history but they divided into parts like modern, like medieval, modern, etc. So after that, geography is physical geography. Next geography is different. So we have like this plenty of things, and map pointing, and in geography we have lot to discuss. The particular about map pointing, not at all map pointing, we have some locations to talk, and we have some content to write, learn, read, and we need to remember a lot of beautiful concepts here related to geographical of world. So in Earth, it may be a volcano eruption, or it may be a disaster, or it may be a tsunami, or it may be anything which is related to climatic change. So everything like that. It may be a scientifically you need to know about the surroundings and you need to know update about the climate and climate change. Here I am going to discuss everything in detail about prelims. So after that, economics. Economics is very important and it's related to wealth and GST, gross domestic product, GST, goods and service tax. So not at all that we get inflations, we get some works related to topics and about currencies, what is the demographics, what is the statistics of the people, how they are surviving, everything, circumstances and what not. We learn much more here. So stay tuned till the end. And it's written by some Ramesh Singh. Ramesh Singh we follow because it's really very good to describe about economics. Economics has plenty of economics, and Indian Economic Service also available. So there are much more positions we can write, not at all these, but we are discussing only about prelims of IAS. So we are talking here particularly. So coming to here, after that Indian politics. Coming to Indian politics we discuss for Indian political system. So how it's written by M. Lakshmikant, and the polity is really very important, and is all over about parliament, because our government is related to republic and there is a kingdom's rule, and from independence, it means independence to till here what is the situation and how we have faced and what what the revolution have done, and what is the article, what is the parliament, what is the clauses, what is the sections, articles, schedules, what not, everything we discuss in detail here in this video. Not at all on my channel. So, and not at all that